With distinctive plateau landscapes and constantly improving infrastructure, the tourism industry in southwest China's Tibet Autonomous Region is thriving and has brought tangible benefits to local farmers and herders. In Soosoong Village, Ningchi City, the tourism economy has been booming over the past few years, thanks in part to the Peach Blossom Festival, which has celebrated its 20th edition this year. The village now has 120 households and 416 residents. Villagers now run 41 homestays, offering a total of 1,600 beds for tourists. In 2022, the per capita disposable income of the village exceeded 31,000 yuan. To attract repeat visitors, the village has constantly improved its infrastructure and upgraded the hostels. This year's Peach Blossom Festival in Ningchi will last till mid-May. In 2022, Ningchi received 6.58 million tourist visits from home and abroad, and the tourism revenue reached 5.664 billion yuan.